I'll continue with explanation in this video. Children, what do you say? Asked Father Golden. You are old enough to have your say, even the youngest of you. You, Father Golden said, you all are grown up and your opinion matters. Father Golden asked his children opinion of keeping the baby at home or not to keep at home. Oh, keep him, shouted the three younger children. Adam and Lemuel exchanged a glance. Exchanged a glance means looked at each other, and all of them said to keep the baby at home. I guess he would better stay, Father, said Adam. I think so too, said Lemuel, and both gave something like a sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means both were happy about keeping the baby at home. Then that's settled, said Father Golden. Supposing that no objection turns up, next thing is, what shall we call this child? Means Father Golden, when found that everybody wanted the baby to keep at home, their next question was, what shall they call the baby? Means what should be the baby's name? All eyes were fixed on the baby, who now sat on Mother Golden's knee. It was a pretty picture. Pretty picture means which pretty picture? Mother Golden sitting on the sofa with a baby on her knee. The rosy dimpled creature. Now which creature? The baby, new child at home. The yellow floss ruffled all over his head. Yellow floss, silky golden hair. Ruffled means untidily all over his head. His sweet little mouth open in a beaming smile. In a bright smile. The baby was smiling brightly. Smiling back at him, Mother Golden's calm face in its frame of silver hair, and Father Golden in his big leather chair. The five children with their sober faces, sober means thoughtful faces, lit up with unusual excitement, looking at that picture where mother and father and the kid were sitting there. A pleasant family picture. It was giving a very beautiful picture. But now all the light in the room seemed to center on the baby's yellow flossy curls. The yellow golden curls. Agoo, said the baby in a gurgle. Gurgle means the noise in its throat. You must have come across the babies at home or nearby babies. The babies speak like this only, go, like this. He says his name is Goo, announced Joseph. Joseph, the little one, he thought the baby is speaking its name, a goo. A goo was just a noise or a sound from the baby's throat. Don't be chucklehead. Chucklehead means stupid person, Joseph, said Adam. We would better give the child a suitable name, Mother. Now, Adam wanted to keep the baby a particular good name. Oh, call him Arthur, Bill, Reginald, cried the children together. All the children had their own name for the baby, like Arthur, Bill, Reginald. I do love a Bible name, said Mother Golden. Now Mother Golden wanted to keep a name from the Bible. All our own children have Bible names. Let us not cut the little stranger off from this privilege. Which privilege? Special right or advantage. Advantage of a name from the Bible. Lemuel, dear, you were named after a king, said Mother Golden. He was a good boy to his mother, and so are you. Bring the Bible and let us see what it opens at. Now, Mother Golden said, Lemuel, your name was kept with the name of a king who was a good king, and you are also a good boy like that good king. Bring the Bible and let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you are the youngest. You shall open it. Joseph opened the great brown leather Bible and closing his eyes, laid his hand on the page. Then looking down, he read. Like he opened the Bible without knowing which page, and after that he kept a finger on a particular place, and whatever was read there, let us see what was read out there. There is little Benjamin there, ruler, and the prince of Judah, their council, the prince of Zebulun, and the princes of Naphtali. Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names, said Mother Golden. Now, when Joseph kept a finger, wherever the finger was kept, there were names like little Benjamin, then princes of Judah, princes of Zebulun, and then Naphtali. So, but Mother Golden said Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names. Benjamin shall be this child's name. Little Benjamin, the Lord bless and keep him. And finally, the baby was named as Little Benjamin, which was a name kept from the Bible. Students, did you see how the Golden family happily accepted the baby at home and welcomed the baby into their home and even their hearts? Students, read the lesson at home to improve your reading as well as to increase your vocabulary. In my next video, I'll continue with the exercises. Thank you.